Hey everyone, so super excited about this next unboxing video that I'm going to do. I have been watching this kit on Joann since I first saw it. I picked it up on Black Friday, and it's a Harry Potter Diamond Dotz kit, and it has 4 panels in it. So stay tuned for this exciting unboxing video of this new Wizarding World Harry Potter diamond painting. So this is the new kit I got from Joann's. It is a Harry Potter diamond painting kit that has all 4 of these panels in this box from Diamond Dotz. So the back looks like this. So it's from Diamond Dotz. It is powered, well, it's from Camelot Dotz, but it's powered by Diamond Dotz. So it's the same company, but it is Harry Potter. And it has all the same information on it that the other kits have, besides the how many diamonds it is in there. It does show you on the side, this is the 4 panels, and this is the diamond area that you will be painting. So you're not doing, it's not a full, sorry, wrong side. It's not a full drill kit, it's a partial. But I am super excited, so let's get started on this unboxing to see these. So I just picked this up when Joann's was having their Black Friday deal. Of course, it was online, so I had to pay the $2 shipping, but I picked it up half off, so it was amazingly priced. And I had been watching it. I might have to get scissors for a while to get this, because I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. So if you guys are huge Harry Potter fans and you have a certain house you're in, comment below with what house you're in. I am in Ravenclaw. However, I have also tested into Gryffindor, but my main house is Ravenclaw, which my daughter also is in. And we just love Harry Potter. We have all the books. Everything is just amazing about Harry Potter. So let's get started. So pretty big box for 2 little items in there. But you have your canvases coming out and your drills. And the canvas sizes are, the fabrics are 11 by 11 inches, but that's not your design space. So we'll have to see what the designs are. So let's get into the toolkit / drills first. So opening this up, and we're going to look at their drills. So they have their little kit, it's not a stickered thing, it's just their little key chart, if I can remember correctly. So I don't think it's going to focus. I've been having problems with my camera focusing lately. It might be the lighting. So that's that. And then we have their drills. So you get a toolkit. So this one is no grip to it, but a little wax square, a regular tray, and a regular single placer. And then here's your drills. Now that I'm looking at the drills, I'm a little disappointed, actually, in this. Because these are not the usual Diamond Dotz drills. They've been deciding to change up their drills lately. And this kind of disappoints me a little bit, that these are not their regular shaped drills. These are like Diamond Art Club drills. They have the dome shape to them, as you can see. To the top, they don't have the flat shape, which I'm a little disappointed, being that on the box it shows the different drills. So I might contact them about this. So I don't know if you can see this on the box. It shows their regular shaped drills, and that's one reason why I bought it, was because I wanted to make sure it was their regular shaped drills. And in the package, you get the the other shape. So these are not the usual shape of the Diamond Dot drills that you get in other kits. These are like I said, the DAC or basically almost every other company drills. They have the little dome top to them. And I mean, that's great, but to me, I just love the Diamond Dot shapes of them because of the way they shine. The colors are fantastic. As you can see, the colors are amazing, but I'm a little sad by that. I might see why that is. That it says on there, it shows the regular shape drills on there, but it didn't get them in the kit. So we'll have to see about that. A little sad by that. But let's look at these canvases. It's one reason why I like to buy Diamond Dotz is because of those shaped drills. So I'm going to see who I have to contact about that. So you get your 4, ooh, that's kind of neat. So it's all rolled up in one, like so. And they are pretty small. They didn't say what size the canvas. The canvas is a little different actually this time. It's more of a felt, or maybe not felt, but it has a little bit of a softer fill in the back. That's different canvas. Still has your clear symbols. So here's the first one. See if I can get it clear up. So this is the Hogwarts one with the little castle and stuff like that. It has a spot where you can cut it, so we'll just unroll it like a scroll. And then you have your owl and your flying key. And then you have your Christmas tree with the flying candles. And then you have a Christmas tree with the sweatshirt or sweater from Ron Weasley with the golden snitch, and the broom. So very cool. Like I said, very clear, like it always is. If it would ever clear up on my thing, but very clear symbols that you can see. There it goes. Very clear, not hard to see. The printing is amazing. Actually, here we go. So the design size is 8.5 by 8.5. So that's awesome. So you can use all 4 panels together after you get done designing it. Very quick snack size projects. Not too many. So it's awesome. They all use all 16 same colors. It looks like all the same. Yep, 16 of the same colors and all that. So very neat. I really do like the canvases. I really like this kit. The only downside is the drills for me. That's just my preference. So I might contact them and ask them why that happened. When on the box it shows the other drills. Because that is one reason why I was purchasing it. And I think I even looked at that on Joann's website. So again, if you love Harry Potter, a very good set. Keep an eye on it at Joann's and get the coupon or use it online. Again, the design size is 8.5 by 8.5. So you could put it in like a 12 by 12 frame with like a Harry Potter background or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing video. Leave comments and don't forget to subscribe below.